Hello, I decided to show you guys my food binder. I have over 150 different varieties of edible flowers, herbs, and vegetables in my binder. Sweet alyssum. Got some herbs. These are custard apples. Can't really see that well. Basil, dark, excuse me, dark opal basil. Green beans. These are the dry beans. I've never grown dry beans before, so that'll be fun. And then we have some more beans. These are rattlesnake bull beans. Red noodle yard-long beans. Those are good for stir fries. We have beets. Maybe I turn it this way. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay. Get some more beets, bergamot, and elderberries. Borage. This is a flower that attracts pollinators, and when you eat the flower, it has a light cucumber flavor, but they're fuzzy like a peach. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Got some more cabbage on the other page. Calendula, that's really good for your skin. Cantaloupe, black nebula carrots, cosmic purples, lots of carrots. And then we have snowball cauliflower. Nope, that's celery. Comfort's on the back side. It's celery. And chamomile, collards. This is glass gem Indian corn that I'm going to be growing for popcorn. They're different color. The kernels are different colors, and when you pop them in the popcorn, they have a light tint of that color. Cucamelons. Oh my gosh, I love cucamelons. We got dragon egg cucumber. I've never heard of these before, so it'll be the first for me to grow and try those. These are my mom's favorite lemon cucumbers and different type of pickling cucumbers and some cutting ones. Gotta have some seasonings in there, cumin. A red currant. I have a red currant plant, so I'm gonna plant a bunch of these seeds on the property. Dahlias, petals are edible, and daisies. Dill. This is dragon fruit and the echinacea. Eggplants. This is a mix of the three. I've never had eggplant before, so I'm gonna try that. I've got fennel, fig, grape seeds, huckleberry seeds, and this is a red Russian kale, key lime, purple kohlrabi. Never had kohlrabi before. And lemon balm. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. I have all kinds of different lettuce, and I have actually have 5 more types of lettuce coming. So, this is some really good lettuce. Oh my goodness, that stuff is amazing. Loofah. Marigolds. You always gotta have marigolds and nasturtiums in your garden. I ordered these guys, not remembering that I had already bought a pack. Well, you know. Microgreens. Okay, this is microgreen mix, and it's 3,000 seeds. Now microgreens, all it is a mixture of different seeds like lettuces and greens and broccolis and radishes, you know, stuff like that. So I have 3,000 seeds of different kind of veggies in here. So yeah, I'm not planning on microgreening them. I'm gonna grow them to full harvest. This mulberries mustard. This is giant red mustard. Nasturtiums. Stinging nettle, okra. I love okra. These are so good. Onions. We got pansies and snap peas. These are peach seeds, the dwarf peach seeds. Anaheim peppers. And then we have peppercorn, black peppers, and mixture of different peppers. Mostly cayenne peppers. This is 4 different colors, but they're all cayenne. Poppies. I got this for my granddaughter. Try to grow a very large pumpkin for her. Maybe one she could fit in, that'd be cool. And then gotta have pumpkin for the pies. This is cherry bell radish, watermelon radish, rhubarb, rosemary, sage, spearmint, purple spinach, fire red, and squash. There we go, we can see it better now. This is the new Rise and Shine hybrid where they grow vertically. It's a squash kind of like this, but kind of smaller, and they grow in, upward instead of outward. So it's gonna be interesting. Stevia. I had my first pack of stevia. I planted the whole entire pack and got 1 plant, which is doing really well, but I want more than 1 plant, so hopefully I can get another one at least. And then we have white strawberries. Look at those seeds, they're so tiny. And then sugar cane. So we got 2 different sources of sweeteners. That's always good. Sunflower seeds. Swiss chard and thyme. And got more tomatoes coming. So this is pineapple tomatillo. Yeah, my mom, she likes purple veggies, so we're gonna give the indigo blue tomato a try this year. These are really good size sauce tomatoes, so got those to make pizza sauce, marinara, and stuff like that. Watermelons, gotta have a watermelon patch, and yarrow. And last but not least, my zinnias. And the petals on the zinnias are edible. They just add a beautiful color to salads and sandwiches and stuff. And I have 14 more packs coming. I have 5 that are different lettuces, 5 that are different squash, and 4 different cherry tomatoes. So yeah, this is my food binder. This is almost better than money in the bank right here. So much food just in this binder. It's ridiculous. I'm so excited to get started on it now. This year I'm going to be doing a lot, focus mostly on building, but then in soil amending, and then next year it's gonna be full-blown gardening. Oh, the artichokes. Anyway, thanks for watching.